Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and today we're looking at a Honda CB400ss in the maroon red kind of colour. Really nice condition, 2006 bike with only 17,000 kilometers on the clock. All really original as well. It's got the nice chrome added on extra for the mirrors. Chrome exhaust, good condition, chrome front mudguard and rear mudguard. Kickstart and electric start on this model, some came with just kickstart. Really nice little thing. As we walk through it, front tyre pretty much new, front mudguard in excellent condition, gaiters as well, really good condition, indicators and front headlamp are really nice, up over the top, single key in the HISS system, or dual key I should say, 2 keys, 17,103 kilometers, chrome mirrors, really nice. The tank itself is in great condition with a little tiny mark here just for the fuel cap. Left hand side we have these kind of grips here, which are period, or kind of retro classic period correct. Honda badging, CB400ss. Engine areas are really nice and clean. Side stand, no main stand but pillion pegs at the rear for you. Chain guard is present with the nice sprocket left on it. No marks, rips or tears along the seat, the rear or over the top, and it's the original Honda one from factory. 421 on the tax, so it still has tax, and the indicators here are good as well. 2006 bike with rear tire here, very good. Right hand side now we have the actual side panels, really nice condition. Again, tank, no marks to make note of on this side, and here's the actual engine, a few little age related marks. And to the rear, the actual exhaust is in nice condition. You saw a few marks at the start there. Apart from that, all really nice up into the headers at the top. And the frame itself then, you'll look through the bike, really nice condition. Nothing to make note of, again, really good condition bike. 2006 bike, remember that. So move now from the visual inspection to the ride along video.
Okay, actually we're going to do this one here, I think. Get on her. Okay, so to start the bike, make sure the fuel is on, which is down by your left leg. The choke is on the left hand side up at your handlebar here. You leave that on for about 10 seconds I'd say, maybe a bit more actually, as you'll see here. Leave it warm up slightly with the choke on, and then you're good to go. So we'll go out on the bike itself, just make sure I'm recording, and I am. And I'll just my mirror here. Tune down the choke just slightly, make sure I'm still watching the road. But yeah, we've done plenty of these 400SSs. I mean, they do everything. They look great, they drive great, they feel great to ride. Everything feels really nice. It's Honda, and I mean, if you are a biker and you've ridden all the different types of bikes, you know what I mean by saying it's a Honda. It's just different type of caliber. This kind of certainly in the early late 80s, 90s, kind of when this bike would have been designed. I know it was released in 2000s, but the bike would have been designed in probably the late 90s, where they really had great quality to everything that they were doing at that stage, Honda, and they weren't so restricted on the emissions from the European law and so on. But really popular little bike. It's such a nice little thing to ride. I mean, I've done motorway miles on it, I've done little slip roads, I've done just every day in and out of town. So I mean, it's a do everything bike. It's also A2 category license applicable, so if you want to do your A2 license on this thing, then absolutely go ahead. It's perfect for that, and it's very hard to get bikes that go into that category. Certainly here in Ireland as well, such a restrictive motorcycle licensing, where A2 is literally like a unicorn bike to get inside the brake horsepower and all of that. I'll just watch out for these children here, stay right to the road, and everything's okay. But yeah, going through all the gears really nicely. It's very smooth for a twin. I don't know if it's anything to do with those exhausts, you know, the 1 into 2 and then straight into the single can. I'm not sure, but really like these bikes. I've always ranted and raved about these. I think, you know, these types of bikes on FTR 223s, Honda CB400s, SSs that is, all that kind of class and range of bike come into the same. CB400TII as well we've had come into the same kind of pedigree, and really nice bikes to drive, especially for the kind of stuff that are out there now. I know I have driven the kind of Ninja 250s, Ninja 300s, Ninja 400s. All of them just feel a bit dead compared to this, and this has a bit more character certainly to it than a lot of those bikes would, and newer bikes. And it certainly obviously comes in at the price where something's going to be keeping its value very well, as costing you less in your wallet. So we'll stop the bike here, go through the electronics, make sure everything's working. Left indicator now, left indicator working, right left, or rear left I should say, right rear, and the front right here working as well. Horn working too, rear brake light is working as well. So all the electrics, everything working like that. Honda Cb400ss, that's what she looks like on the road. She has the classic where the indicator lights kind of stay on, if you get me, but don't flicker when it's got the daylight running kind of things to them for safety, which are actually really nice. And I'll just get a little picture here for the thumbnail, and this is something that you guys will be clicking on. Really lovely looking bike. Well, that's it for the Honda CB400ss. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like down below. Comment down below on what you think of these CB400ss. Also, what's the kind of competitor to this? What else out there is it to this kind of age, price range? What would you be looking at? You can let us know what else you're looking at down below. And finally, subscribe. We're just up and over 3,000 subscribers, which is fantastic. Looking to get 5,000 this year, by the end of this year, 2021, which would be really good goal for myself here at Retro Bikes Dublin. So that's it. 2006 I believe, Honda CB400ss. If you have liked the video, again, like, subscribe and comment. And if you really want to reach out to us on our websites or on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram, Facebook, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.